What type of plane is this?
Okay. You do me well. What about walking now? Whoa. You be matchy? See, I beg no verse. The money I give you no complete. Any I bill on Monday, I'll give you the minimum.
Hey, come back here.
Yeah! Jesus.
Why they give me half money? Not the full package I give you. I give you full package. They give me half money.
You don't do. I do the hash. See, what did this I be saying? On Monday I'll give you why because I want you to do transport and some of my baby mama baby say they hold the money. I they say they run.
Hey, meaning waiting. I got complete my money now. Full package I give. If I give you half package, you go like
You don't do. I will give you full money later.
Why I not going tell you say wait? Later go give you full package.
See.
Why I not give you half package? Make I give you full package later.
No, calm down. Any idea?
Come here. Can me they follow me talk like that? Now you go give me that money.
I will not do.
Go do it. I will complete my money.
You get mine too.
You get who's mine?
Yeah.
When you do, you don't know.
I will give you
money.
money.
They not your money. I don't know.
See this girl. I can't go to you.
Hey, I don't catch you. Hey, they go. Come here.
Sorry. Calm down.
Where my money?
Okay, let me go put your money.
No. Now my money don't enter 1.5 million.
For what?
1.5 million, 50,000 naira. Where they owe me since NSAS. You know how much they top on top?
See.
If na pampe self, you know how much pampe they top on top? Okay, I'll give you my 1.5 million.
Calm down. I don't say I don't go pay you.
Okay, you go pay. You know what I don't see, you go pay me.
Let me go.
Okay, you go pay. You don't make that guy run away.
No.
You don't make that guy run away. Okay, you don't.
See, calm down.
Hey, never see
your money dey inside.
Okay, give me my money today.
Madam, calm down. I don't your money.
Okay, you go give me my money.
Hold on. Not be fight.
No be waiting. Okay, you go give me my money today.
Your money, I don't keep your money. Keep your money this. Let me go put your money.
I know they go give me.
No, wait me for you.
No, they go wait for.
Did he shock me?
See, I will not do.
You do it.
I will pay.
I got complete my money.
You get mine too.
You get who's mine?
Yeah.
When you do, you don't know.
I will give you
money.
money.
They not your money. I don't know.
See this girl. I can't go to you.
Hey, I don't catch you. They go come here. Okay, where my money?
Calm down.
Where my money?
Okay, let me go put your money.
No. My money don't enter 1.5 million.
For what?
1.5 million, 50,000 naira. Where they owe me since NSAS. You know how much they top on top?
See.
If na pampe self, you know how much pampe they top on top? Okay, I'll give you my 1.5 million.
Calm down. I don't say I don't go pay you.
Okay, you go pay. You know what I don't see, you go pay me.
Let me go.
Okay, you go pay. You don't make that guy run away.
No.
You don't make that guy run away. Okay, you don't.
See, calm down.
You see, hey, never see
your money dey inside.
Okay, give me my money today.
Madam, calm down. I don't your money.
Okay, you go give me my money today.
Hold on. Not be fight.
You go give me my money today.
Not be
I
fight.
know they go give me.
No, wait me for you.
No, they go wait for.